Here we are in Cherrapunji, checking out. Boys are loading up the bikes for the ride to Guwahati. Before that, we'll have butter tea tea with butter, not butter tea, tea with a pinch of butter in it.
So we had the tea and biscuits at the homestay, and now we're off to Guwahati. We will be heading straight to Kamakya railway station to check about the bike parcel services. A very big property here. Not expensive. Costed three of us 1,200 per night. And they provide us that lovely tea in the morning. So now let's ride. It's like I know most of the routes here now. Not internally, but yeah. Basic routes necessary. I know them now. I don't need the maps here, say that. Because we've been here like 2 nights, and like 3 nights in Cherrapunji, 3 nights in Doki. Not in Doki, in Pongtong, close to Doki. Shillong was a little confusing part because it's a city, so a lot of one ways and all that. But these two places, yeah, I'm familiar with the roads now. We know where the petrol pump is, we know where the ATM is, where we have a restaurant, shops, and a lot of people over here have either visited Bangalore or been working in Bangalore. Where we met a lot of people. When they see our motorcycle registration plates, they'll ask us, where are you from, and the conversation begins. Once we start talking and get into the details, we'll know that they were kind of living close by to where either I stay or Yatish or Rahul stays. I met so many people here, but yeah, I didn't record most of that. Few of them wouldn't like that. They want their privacy, so I don't record people I meet that easily unless they're okay with me recording it. I'm still contemplating on whether riding to Bangalore or taking the train to Bangalore, because airlines is a big headache with the luggage that I have compared to Rahul's and Yatish's. I have an extra bag and a tank bag as well. I have a tail bag and a tank bag carrying all the camera accessories and a lot of motorcycle equipment like the chain spray, chain cleaner, and a brush, then spare tubes. Carrying a lot of stuff like that. That's the reason the saddle bag is full and my clothes are in the tail bag. So we'll be heading to the railway station since Rahul needs to be in Bangalore on the 9th. It's not possible to ride from here as all our bikes need general servicing, oil change, especially mine, which needs a chain sprocket replacement. If I'm taking the train, I'll have to sit in the train for 52 hours. That is 2.5 days basically. Not 2.5 days, more than 2 days, which I don't intend to do. And shipping the bike with the fear of expecting damages, that concerns me a lot more than anything else, because I've heard that bikes are literally thrown off and fallen down, damaged when they reach during the transportation. Let's see.
5:30 in the evening and we are walking around in Guwahati. That is near Kamakya railway station. We came, checked in with detail, checked all details of the railway station. Checked into a room here about 4 kilometers away from the railway station. Hope we get the train tickets. This parcel will be sorted out. We're trying for the Tatkal train tickets. If we don't get the train tickets, then we'll have to find other modes of transportation. Kamakya Junction parcel office. So this is just a short information video on how to send your bike by train. So you need to come to the parcel office, carry your RC copy, insurance and an ID card. They will give you 2 application forms. My friends are going to get Xerox copies of it since they don't have extra forms here. So yeah, you got to remove all the fuel, remove the mirror, and the packing begins. So I'm not sure about the final pricing, but packing is separate and we're paying 600 rupees per bike. All the fuel is given away for free basically. So let's see how things are getting packed here. Actually, it's nothing much. It's just sacks. They use these sacks to just protect all the painted parts and switches and all that stuff. So if you have bubble wrap, it's good for you. But here they don't have bubble wrap. So just use whatever is there right now. So Hitish's bike is still on. So we're waiting for it to turn off. They'll kick and then the officer will come and check whether the fuel is entirely empty and only then start packing. One more bike is yet to come. They've gone to bring the saddlebags. We'll be sending the saddlebags along with the bikes. So one bike done, other one almost done. Rahul's bike is yet to come.